Welcome everyone. Today we're drawing a Valentine's Cupid. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of the page and draw a circle for the left eye. Starting from the very top, all the way around, and then back up. Let's trace that circle along the inside for the pupil. And then on the top left side, draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now from the center of the eye, let's move all the way over towards the right side. We're going to have this character winking, so we'll draw this curve going up and then down. Let's move back to the center and draw a C shape for the nose. Let's move down again and draw a curve going out and then up towards the right. Add a bracket on the end. Now from the eyes, we're going to step out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start with the left side. We're going to draw a large half circle, coming down across the chin, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I want to add some curls along the inside of the hairline. Starting back on the left, bend this in and then back out. Line that up on the right. I'm just going to continue to add these curls going across, in towards the middle, then out towards the right. Let's add in some eyebrows with a small curve above each eye. Now going back to the side of the head, we're going to draw in the ears, going up, around, and then back in. Now add a fold across the top of the ears. Now I'm going to add some curls going around the outside of the head, starting on top of the left ear, going around and then in. I'm just going to continue to add these large curls going up towards the top, then bring that down on top of the right ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the left arm crossing the body. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this out, come around, and then in towards the center of our page, and we'll curl 3 fingers, coming down, up, and then in. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind, so we step up, curving out, and then in, and then one last finger going up, across the top of the arm, straight out towards the elbow. Now we're going to line up the top of the arm over on the right side. We're going to extend this arm out, and we'll curl around the thumb, going up, coming down, and then bend that back up. Let's add 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, come down towards the bottom, add another oval, and tuck that up underneath the thumb. Let's do that one more time with the bottom finger. Now from that top finger on the left, we're going to draw a straight angle line going in toward that center finger on the right. Extend it out past the side. Step down and draw that again. Now we're going to add a heart on the end, going out towards a point. And then we want to place the bow in behind the hand, starting from the top, bend this up and in, come down and in across the bottom. It's going to add a swirl, going all the way around and back up. Let's trace this curve starting from the swirl, coming back in behind the hand. Now you want to draw the feathers of the arrow, angles back in towards the hand, straight in behind. Let's go back up to that swirl, draw a straight angle line coming back in towards the back of that feather. Now let's go back to the bottom finger, curve the palm coming down and then up, step down, draw a straight line coming back in. Now you want to tuck the side of the body in behind, starting underneath the head, angle this down and out in behind the arm. Continue this all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side, angle this down and out, continue all the way down towards the same height, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom corners of the body, we're going to step in and draw in the legs. We're going to come down, around, and just pull that back up underneath. And we're going to add a strap across the sandals. Start with one curve, step down, draw it again. And now we're going to layer the wings in behind the body. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the top of the arm, go out, bend that in, add these little curls coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's take that wing and flip it over on the right side, going in behind the arm. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Valentine's Cupid. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.